Alright, so today I'm going to be installing these, which is just the liftgate hatch things, because it will just, of course now that it's like all warm and everything, they stay up, but when it gets cold they just fall on their own. It's a pain in the ass. If you're wondering about this piece right here, I have it all taken apart because I took the thing on the top. It has like a little Z logo. Oh, see, here the hatch just fell. But it has a little Z logo, and the little chrome piecing was on it was coming off, so I'm gonna actually have that wrapped. I'm gonna be wrapping myself with vinyl that I just ordered, and then I'm also gonna be wrapping these. This side's not bad because it's been repainted, but a lot of you probably already know this, but like on the 350Zs, this paint right here is incredibly easy to scratch. Like, look how many scratches are on it already. But like, if you just barely even, like, you can just scratch it. Like, so easy. And I apologize about the noise. They're doing like a bunch of construction over here. Oh, and I almost forgot. I was gonna have somebody make me an intro for the channel, but I actually decided to just make my own. So I was working with some animated stuff on Adobe After Effects, and I came up with something. Cue intro in 3, 2, 1. So I guess that's why you don't buy cheap parts. Let me just show you real quick. I just bought these off, I don't even know where I got these from. They were just super cheap. They were like 15 bucks, I think. But as you can tell, those definitely aren't even close to this size. Probably should have checked before I even started, but oh well, I'll order some new ones. I'm actually gonna run to AutoZone real quick. It doesn't look too bad, but pretty gross in there. And this side's pretty bad. By the way, of course, when I'm complaining about it and wanting to get it replaced, it stays up the whole fucking time. When your Z has its own little Z.
Stiff ass nut. Play bumper cars or what? 18.
Oh, there's 19 up here too, by the way. 18. This is my passenger.
Should be. Let's double check. All right.
I told you already fit the look, man.
You gotta walk in there like you got money.
I'm actually just gonna do the windshield wipers.
The wipers?
Yeah, because I already have that one, so I'm just gonna rewash it.
BAM!
I'm a basic bitch.
What? You're a wizard, Harry.
We decided not to actually get the air filter because when we went there, it turns out I already have the K&N one, so we're actually just gonna wash this one real quick. bunny. The hell did he come from? We did still get these windshield wipers though, because mine are awful.
These are the race edition. They come with race yellow blades. Just in case you didn't know. Alright, step 2. You want to just wiggle the knob. Step 2 is remember how to fucking put these on.
Oh, these are the pain in the ass ones.
I know. That's what I'm saying, bro. Hey, where'd my little instruction packet go that just flew by?
On the ground.
Is it? Bitch. Install. Okay, maybe not. That would be beautiful. Right. I'm baffled, honestly. Kind of pissed at myself. I didn't put windshield wipers in. Oh, you got it to click. See, I didn't get it to click.
Bam.
Ow, my fingers.
One is done.
Dad. It won't click. I did it, Dad.
Oh, you had to take off that piece?
It came flying off when I said install done.
Oh.
And I was like, never mind. $25 or best offer. OEM.
Give her a whirl.
Give what a whirl.
Windshield wiper. Pull it backwards to you. Oh God, okay, you can release.
Oh man.
Oh yeah, those are much better.
Like a dream.
Oh yeah.
Hot wet action.
By the way, I sprayed off the air filter. I'm just letting it dry for a little bit. Once it dries, I'm gonna put the K&N oil on it and put it back in. Air filter's done drying, so you can lube it up and put it in. Thanks for watching, guys. I just finished up editing today's video, so I will be seeing you guys soon with the vinyl wrap on the interior pieces. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.